Hello, my name is Ray and this is my online portfolio. I started by telling my story, that is how I would like to integrate my career with the UX design course that I am taking. My case study is for the OpenIT application. OpenIT is an application that will help the users improve their oven cooking skills or learn new ones with the help of an expert. This application was the main project for the UX immersion course from Career Foundry. In this project, we used the design thinking process: understand, observe, point of view, ideate, prototype, test, tell story, and present. It was really important to integrate all these elements on the project. To understand the problem, we used the double diamond strategy. This helped me develop a problem statement and come with some solutions for the problem. Here's a graphic of the double diamond strategy. My user personas are Armando and Rebecca. Armando represents the hardworking family man that never has time, but he likes to cook to his family. And Rebecca is the happy person that loves baking and create new stuff in the oven. This user journey map is for Armando and how he will take on a dinner for his family, and how he will be using the application to create that dinner. We have a user flow here for Rebecca. Rebecca would like to create a new cake recipe, and she would like an expert to help with that, and that is the flow that she will have to follow to connect to an expert. Here we have the wireframes and prototypes. Here we have the low fidelity ones, then the medium, and the high fidelity. You can see all the images in this link by following this link. In the usability testing, I chose to use to present the rainbow spreadsheet because I think this spreadsheet is very helpful with the colors and the error rating, and it helps you to identify the biggest problems in a very easy way. So when you are improving on your application, you can take a look at this spreadsheet and know exactly what you need to improve with priority. Okay, here are the images for the final prototype. I know that in design something is never final, but we have some screen here showing the last version of this product. You can follow the link below if you would like to see all the screens and use the prototype. Questions. Have you given feedback on someone else's design before? Yes. And is easy or hard depending on the person that you are giving the feedback. What about receiving feedback? I love receiving feedback. Either is it good or is it bad? I love receiving it because then I know where I can improve. How would your teammates describe you as someone to work with? Very easygoing and fun and very kind, sometimes too kind. Tell me about a difficult project or tell about something going wrong and how you reacted. Well, I work on the banking industry, and sometimes you have to work with projects that have a combination of many departments inside the bank, and sometimes you have to deal with a lot of managers that thinks that their department are the priority when it's not. And it's very important to remain calm and try to explain to them the reasons why their department is not the primary focus for the project, but we have to show empathy for those managers, supervisors, or employees, and let them know that this is not impersonal or against them. It's just that the business needs another priority. Come up with your own questions. You could ask the interviewer, for instance, something about culture, flow, company vibe, product questions, and more. My question will be, if I ask one of your customers about your company or product, what would you like them to answer? And with that, I would like to thank you for your time and listening to me. Have a good rest of the day.